first you need for this slime is hand soap. First what you need for this slime is hand soap. And I have hand soap in this. You know when you get prepared first time? Yeah, that's how I did it. I thought I was recording. But it did get wide. I didn't put any salt or anything in it. Oh my gosh, this is not one little thing. This slime is really weird because it's not a pickup slime, but this is the first video I'm doing. And yes, this is a real camera that I'm posting on. So you mix and mix. So now you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Me, but I'm going to keep on mixing. Yeah. It's really funny how if you watch Layla Daniel, my YouTube channel, which is my YouTube channel, Layla Daniel, subscribe. And if you already subscribed to me, if you subscribe to this channel, then I didn't post anything. I don't know how you're subscribed, but I have a phone YouTube channel and I have a tab and a camera YouTube channel. This is my camera YouTube channel. And I will have a tablet YouTube channel soon. So I'm gonna go pop this in the refrigerator. Guys, there's an orange cat in my backyard. You guys wanna see it? Oh, it left. Yeah, I knocked on the door, it left. So you guys, it's been 10 minutes and I was playing on my tablet instead of watching TV because I have a TV problem. And I took my tablet out the case. And here's my slime machine. I showed how to use it on Layla Daniel YouTube channel. So let's go get the slime. Guys, it worked. It worked. No, look, when you mix it, it thickens up. I didn't do anything to it. I promise you. I got this from JSays DIY. Hand soap, freezer. And then Peters and Kate did the thing. And then I want, okay. JSDIY did this. And this is the end of the video. Bye, guys.